Howdy howdy guys! I will be showing you how to make a Blackberry Cobbler today. Let's get to it. Take the blackberries and mix them with the sugar. Then let them sit for about 30 minutes because the sugar will extract some juice out of the berries. And we do need this juice later. After 30 minutes, pour the juice into a small bowl and add the cornstarch and the salt. The vanilla extract and the lemon juice. And then mix it until there are no more lumps. Nice and smooth. Just like that. I like some lemon taste in my cobbler, so I will add some lemon zest on my berries. But that's really optional and up to you if you want to do that or not. Mix the juice mix under the berries. It will help thicken the berries while baking. Take your casserole dish. I use a 8x8 inch glass dish and pour the berries in and level them. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so far so good. Let's make the topping. Whisk the flour with the baking powder and baking soda, the sugar, and the salt together. Then add the cubed butter into the mix. Break the butter into some small pieces, and of course, you can use the pastry cutter. But personally, I feel it's easier to use your fingers to break them apart. You can feel how big the pieces are, and it's also less sticky. And if it looks like cornmeal, you are done. Almost done. Mix the yogurt with the mix until well combined and it holds together. Just don't overmix it, otherwise it will get tough. And we don't want that. Take a spoon or spatula and scatter little mounds of dough all over the top. Use 2 tablespoons of sugar and dust the topping before baking. This will make the topping a little bit more crusty. See how it bubbles? This is ready. Unfortunately, we have to wait and be patient until it cools down a bit before we can eat it. Let's top this cobbler with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream. Enjoy, and I see you next time.